My name is Andy Perkins. I'm a partner with Peterson Waggoner Perkins, and I'd like to talk with you briefly about the Indiana Appellate Process. Well, it's no secret that judges are human. They can and do make mistakes sometimes. And if you're dissatisfied with a decision that's come back from a trial court, or sometimes we refer to those as local courts, you might want to talk with one of our attorneys about an appeal. An appeal is a different process altogether from a trial level process. Anyone who is considering an appeal should think very carefully about the procedures involved. The existing record matters a great deal with an appeal. Appellate courts do not, as a rule, consider new evidence like testimony or documents. What happened at the trial court is what the appellate court will consider. It's unlikely that in an appeal you interact with any courts of appeal judges, and the Court of Appeals pays a lot of deference to the local court on factual matters. That means if you have a case where you believe the trial judge or jury believe the wrong witness, that doesn't generally make as good of an appeal as a situation where the trial court may have misapplied the law. Because the Court of Appeals will decide on its own how to best interpret the law, but as to believing one witness over another or one document over another, they generally leave that to the trial courts. It can take up to a year or sometimes more to reach a decision from the Court of Appeals, even though Indiana's court's a bit faster than most state courts at the appellate level. Be prepared to invest some time in pursuing an appeal, because they do sometimes take a while. If you received a court decision you believe might have been decided incorrectly, or if you have maybe a pending matter in front of a local court, and you believe that appeal could be necessary because it might be wrongly decided, you may want to discuss us and discuss your appellate rights. But remember, appellate deadlines are critical. A delay can waive your right to an appeal.